Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner Hemi, and this is by M2. And okay, let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. So I recently started, as you guys know, collecting M2. Okay, good that I didn't cut my hand. Okay, don't I just cut it as it is. Done. Okay, here it is. Okay, here is the backdrop here, Chrysler and Dodge. Okay, let's keep this aside for a minute and just planning to open it. Okay, it's easy now. So this piece actually came down, so it was supposed to hold this part here like this. Fell down. Okay, anyways, let's just keep this aside. Okay, so I'm just going to take a minute and unscrew this car and come back to you guys. So here it is, guys. So it has this base and acrylic case, which I personally love about M2s, especially for the price which you are paying. It is an awesome addition. You can just stack it on top of each other. Okay, let me just put this down and let's go through the casting now. Okay, so let's start with the initial impressions. So the casting is actually very heavy, and so it does have some kind of scratches here. I know it is a bit of older casting, so I can understand that, but it still looks really beautiful. And so you can see they actually added some acrylics to the headlights here. That is not paint, that is some kind of acrylics they put it there. Yeah, and for tail lights they just painted it out, but it does look really nice. It says Roadrunner there. So if you guys are, if you guys remember, this is the car which makes that sound beep beep when you hit the horn. So this is based out of the Roadrunner cartoon. So both the entire car is actually made of metal, body, chassis, everything. The tires are actually rubber. The rims looks quite nice, and let's open it and see. Okay, here is the engine detailing. That looks really beautiful. It is really nice, and it has openable doors as well. Yeah, can open it till this point. Okay, here it is. That looks really nice. Okay, so I'm really happy that at least M2 is doing this acrylics for the windows here, and you can actually put your hand and open it, and still there is some of the window, that windshield portion actually left, especially in this old classic cars, which looks really beautiful. So the logo placement and everything looks really nice. As you can see here, Plymouth. Okay, I'm pretty sure there is no suspension here. Yeah, it doesn't have. Let's do a roll test real quick. It doesn't roll really well, and it wobbles a lot. You can see the pitch of the car, See, but it does roll really well compared to some Tommy cars which we unboxed, recently. Okay, but apart from that, the casting looks really beautiful, and it is really awesome. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.